In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset DNS in GoDaddy quickly and easily. If your website isn't connecting properly, your email stopped working, or you simply need to update your DNS settings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official GoDaddy website. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. Now, enter your GoDaddy account credentials and log in to your account. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where all your domains and hosting services are managed. From here, locate the My Product section. This area displays all the domains connected to your GoDaddy account. Next, find the domain name for which you want to reset the DNS settings. Once you locate it, click the Manage DNS button next to the domain. You'll now enter the DNS management page. This is where all your DNS records such as A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records are stored and managed. If you want to reset your DNS completely, carefully review the existing records first. It's always a good idea to save or screenshot your current DNS settings before making changes. Now you can begin removing outdated or incorrect DNS records by clicking the Delete option next to them. After removing the records you no longer need, you can add fresh DNS settings by clicking the Add button near the top of the DNS page. Select the type of DNS record you want to create, such as A, CNAME, MX, or TXT, depending on your website or email provider requirements. Enter the correct values provided by your hosting company, website builder, or email service, then save the changes. If you're using a hosting provider like cPanel, SiteGround, or another website platform, they usually provide the exact DNS records you need to enter. Once all the new records are added, click Save if required. Your DNS settings will then begin updating across the internet. Keep in mind that DNS propagation can sometimes take a few minutes or even several hours depending on the changes made. After the updates finish propagating, your website and related services should begin working with the new DNS settings. And that's it. You've successfully reset your DNS settings in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching and goodbye.